Hello, my name is Ryan Bergeson, orthopedic spine surgeon. Grandma was sick, and there was always something that they didn't exactly know what it was that caused her to be ill, and so there's always a question about it. And I think that just kind of spurred the interest at a young age, and then it just kind of grew from there. I chose orthopedics because when I first tried it, it just seemed like a natural fit. It went with my personality, went with what I enjoy doing, and also just the way my mind works. I can usually see three-dimensional kind of spatial relationships well, and it works well with orthopedics just when you're working on the bones. And then same thing with spine surgery, because spine surgery, there's a lot of intricacies to kind of shapes and kind of having to see past what you're actually looking at, and I think it just melded with me. I'm a conservative surgeon, and so although I think surgery absolutely has a place and can help people, I think there's just as much value in knowing when not to operate as to when to operate. It's easy to look at MRIs or look at studies and basically be treating the studies, and I think that's not the right way to practice medicine, because anybody can fix an MRI, but the question is the MRI actually causing what the patient's problem is? MRIs have become so advanced that essentially you'll see a lot of issues or problems on an MRI that may not be correlating or related to what the patient's actually coming in for. And so if you're not listening, you can end up going down the wrong path. And I think it's only through listening to the patient, listening to what their concerns are, what their problems are, and what their current pain is, that you can really decide what the right course is for them. Because I think otherwise you can lead to surgery that's probably too aggressive in treating things that, although they may be there, aren't directly related to what the patient is feeling. Or you can miss the boat altogether and do a surgery that may not be necessary. Got a son and a daughter and a wonderful wife, and I like spending time with them. I like, besides that, hunting and fishing. Now my son is getting old enough where he can hunt and fish with me, which makes it great. My daughter as well, but she's still a little young, so.